For social studies class this week, we are continuing with learning the 5 senses, and in today's class, we are learning about smelling with this book by Lisa Owings. Let's go! Around the campfire, you unzip your tent and step inside. The musty smell brings back fun memories. Later, you help with the campfire. The scent of smoke fills the air. Your favorite campfire activity is toasting marshmallows. You enjoy the company while you wait for them to cook. Oh no! What is that burnt smell? Cooking over a fire is hard, but you are having so much fun, it doesn't matter. What is smelling? We use our noses to smell everything from yummy food to stinky socks. All scents come from tiny molecules floating through the air. Every time we breathe in, we draw scent molecules into the nose. They hit a special lining at the top of the nasal cavity. This slimy lining holds millions of receptor cells. Each receptor cell is shaped so only one type of scent molecule can attach to it. The molecules fit into the cells like keys in a lock. Then the cells send messages up their axons into the brain's olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb processes messages about smells. Some messages are sent to other areas of the brain. That is why smells make you react differently. Some spark memories, others send us running for safety. What smelling teaches? Our noses teach us about food. In fact, smell makes up most of our sense of taste. Smells that make our mouths water usually mean food is good to eat. If food smells bad, we usually should not eat it. Our noses are great at warning us of danger. The smell of smoke or gas tell us to act quickly. People without a sense of smell lose their warning system. They must be extra careful to stay safe. Smells are strongly connected to memories and feelings. What goes through your mind when you smell sunscreen or freshly baked cookies? Take a deep breath and enjoy your sense of smell. Now, let's go through some of the words we learned in today's book. Axons are the long, thread-like tails of nerve cells where messages related to the senses are passed. Molecules are the smallest pieces of substances. Molecules are too tiny for humans to see. Musty means smelling stale. Nasal cavity is the air-filled spaces behind the nose. Olfactory bulb is a part of the brain above the nasal cavity that gathers scent information. Receptor cells connect to the olfactory bulb. Processes means to repair, change or group items or facts. And finally, receptor cells are cells that react to scents or other things in the outside world. Receptor cells send messages about the outside world to the brain. Now it's your turn to share. What do you think about smelling? Do you think it's important too? Share with me down below. What are some things you learned in this book about smelling? After this, I'll see you in the next class for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.